Imagine the ground beneath you trembling so violently that the world you know crumbles before your eyes. This was the reality for the people of Sichuan, China, in the spring of 2008, when a devastating earthquake struck, leaving a profound impact on millions. Today, we delve into this poignant chapter of resilience and recovery. Days before May 12, 2008, Sichuan was a tapestry of bustling cities and serene landscapes, unaware of the looming disaster. Deep beneath the verdant valleys of the province, stresses accumulated along the Longmenshan Fault, setting the stage for a catastrophic natural event. The clock struck 2:28 p.m., and the earth unleashed its fury. An 8.0 magnitude earthquake shook Sichuan to its core. Buildings swayed and crumbled, roads split wide open, and mountainsides cascaded down as deadly landslides. The quake's epicenter, Wenchuan County, lay in ruins, the landscape altered beyond recognition. The aftermath painted a grim picture. Entire communities vanished under rubble, schools collapsed, trapping students and teachers, and families found themselves navigating a world turned upside down. The death toll was staggering, climbing to 87,000. With millions more displaced, their lives forever changed. In the face of such despair, the heart of humanity shone brightly. International rescue teams and humanitarian organizations converged on Sichuan, working tirelessly alongside local forces. Aid poured in from every corner of the globe, embodying a wave of solidarity that transcended borders. From the ashes of destruction, the indomitable spirit of Sichuan's residents emerged. Villagers, local authorities, and volunteers joined hands in a monumental effort to rebuild not just homes, but lives. Schools were reconstructed, homes were rebuilt, and communities slowly found their rhythm once more, each step forward a testament to human resilience. The earthquake was a harsh teacher. It brought to light the crucial need for stringent building codes and effective disaster preparedness. Sichuan itself became a classroom where the world learned the value of community resilience and the importance of being ready for nature's unpredictability. Years have passed since the earthquake, yet its legacy endures. Sichuan today stands as a symbol of rebirth and resilience. New infrastructure, safer buildings, and enhanced emergency response strategies mark the province's landscape, each a beacon of hope and a bulwark against future calamities. Reflecting on the 2008 Sichuan earthquake is to understand the profound strength of the human spirit. It's a narrative of people coming together, overcoming unimaginable adversity, and rebuilding with hope and determination. It reminds us all of the power of community in the face of challenges, inspiring us to think about how, together, we can overcome even the most daunting adversities.